Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel RS Learning and Growing Engineers. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe it and click on bell icon. Today I will show you how to use line command, circle command and its types.
So friends, first of all, open SolidWorks. After then, here new part. OK. So friends, before using any command, first of all, we have to select the plane. Just like I am selecting here front plane. So today I will show you how to use these two commands, line command and circle command. First of all, in line command. Here in line command you can see that there are two types of line. Number one, first line, and the second one, center line. So first of all, we will select the line, select the start point and the last point. Press escape on the keyboard. Here you will find the line has been drawn. You can easily give dimension to this line by using smart dimension. Click on this line. You can see here 1 to 1.13. This dimension is in mm because I have selected here my units millimeter, gram, seconds. You can also change it into another unit. I have already made video on this topic. If you want to see, just click on I button. After that, second line. Second type is center line. Same, select the start point and the last point. Press escape on the keyboard. And same, you can use the dimension for that by using smart dimension. Here it is 127.01. So these are the two types of line which you can draw it. Line and center line. After that I will show you next command, circle command. In circle command you will find two types of circle. Number one, simple circle, and the second one, perimeter circle. First of all, select the circle command. Specify the center point of the circle and drag it to which the radius you want to draw it. You can also change the radius here. Just like I am writing 25, then pressing OK. By using smart dimension, I will show you the dimension of this circle. Here, the dimension is coming diameter 50 because we have selected the radius 25. So automatically it is showing dia 50. And next one is perimeter circle. In perimeter circle, you have to specify the 3 points. First of all, select the perimeter circle. Specify the first point, second point, and the third point. And this perimeter circle is used when you have to draw it by using 3 points. Here in this also you can change the radius as per your drawing or requirement. So guys, this is all for today's videos. My upcoming videos will be also coming on next commands.
Thank you for watching my video. Stay connected for more videos.